Diwali, the Festival of Lights, is one of the most anticipated times of the year in India and Nepal. Homes sparkle with diyas, colorful rangolis adorn the entrances, and the air crackles with excitement. For children, it's a time for fireworks and new clothes. For families, it's a time for prayers, feasts, and sharing sweets. The streets transform into vibrant marketplaces, bursting with life, laughter, and irresistible aromas. Imagine walking down a narrow, brightly lit lane, the scent of spices and sweets filling your senses. The rhythmic clatter of cooking utensils, the chatter of excited vendors, and the joyous greetings of passers-by create a symphony of Diwali spirit. From savory snacks to sweet treats, the streets of India and Nepal during Diwali are a paradise for food lovers. Street food during Diwali is about partaking in a shared cultural experience. In India, the variety is staggering. From the crispy, tangy chaat of Mumbai to the melt-in-your-mouth jalebis of Delhi, each bite tells a story. Nepal, too, celebrates Diwali with equal gusto, its street food offering a unique blend of Indian and Tibetan influences. Momos, the beloved dumplings, take center stage, while sel roti, a sweet ring-shaped bread, adds a touch of tradition. It's food for everyone, regardless of background or budget. Join us as we embark on a culinary adventure, exploring the must-try Diwali street foods of India and Nepal. From the fiery heat of chili-infused chaat to the delicate sweetness of gulab jamun, this is your guide to experiencing the true spirit of Diwali through its street food. So loosen your belts, grab your appetite, and get ready to be swept away by the irresistible charm of Diwali street food. This journey is not just about food. It's about understanding the culture, traditions, and the sheer joy that Diwali brings to millions. So come, let's dive in and discover the magic that awaits. The world of Indian chaat is a vibrant explosion of flavors and textures, and during Diwali, it takes center stage on every street corner. Imagine a crisp base like puffed rice or fried dough piled high with an assortment of tantalizing toppings. One cannot talk about chaat without mentioning the beloved pani puri. These small, hollow spheres of fried dough, called puris, are filled with a mixture of potatoes, chickpeas, chutneys, and flavored water, known as pani. The burst of flavor as you bite into a pani puri is an experience that defines Diwali street food. Then there's dahi bala, another chaat favorite. From the streets of Mumbai to the bustling markets of Delhi, chaat is more than just food. It's a representation of India's culinary ingenuity. The sizzle of hot oil and the aroma of frying batter are synonymous with Diwali street food in India. One such iconic snack is the samosa, a crispy triangular pastry filled with a savory mixture of potatoes, peas, and spices. Dip it in mint chutney or tamarind sauce for an extra kick. For those who prefer something lighter, there's aloo tikki, a popular street food consisting of shallow fried potato patties seasoned with aromatic spices. The beauty of these fried delicacies lies in their simplicity and their ability to satisfy cravings instantly. Whether enjoyed as a quick snack or as part of a larger feast, these fried treats are an integral part of the Diwali street food experience in India. Diwali is a time for indulgence, and no celebration is complete without a generous helping of sweets. Gulab jamun, soft, spongy milk balls soaked in a fragrant sugar syrup, reigns supreme as a Diwali favorite. Jalebi, bright orange swirls of deep-fried batter soaked in sugar syrup, is another Diwali staple. No Diwali celebration is complete without a box of assorted sweets, from the nutty goodness of laddu to the delicate flavors of barfi. These colorful treats, often decorated with edible silver foil, are not just a feast for the palate, but also a feast for the eyes. Adding to the festive cheer, these sweets are a symbol of the joy and togetherness that Diwali brings. Crossing the border into Nepal, the Diwali festivities continue, with street food taking on distinct flavors and aromas. At the heart of Nepali street food, especially during Diwali, lies the momo. These steamed or fried dumplings, a beloved staple in Nepal and Tibet, are a testament to the region's culinary heritage. Filled with savory meats or vegetables, momos offer a burst of flavor in every bite. The aroma of ginger, garlic, and coriander fills the air, while the accompanying spicy tomato chutney adds a fiery kick. Joining locals and fellow travelers alike, savoring these delectable dumplings becomes a shared celebration of flavor and festivity. As the aroma of incense fills the air and oil lamps illuminate homes and streets, Nepal's Diwali celebrations extend beyond savory delights to a world of sweet and spicy treats. Among the many sweet temptations, yomari takes center stage. These steamed rice flour dumplings, shaped like fig fruits, hold a sweet surprise within. Filled with chaku, which is molasses, coconut, and sesame seeds, yomari offers a delightful interplay of textures and flavors. Adding a touch of spice to the Diwali celebrations, jalebi, the bright orange, crispy swirls of deep-fried batter soaked in sugar syrup, makes an appearance in Nepal as well. As families gather to celebrate, these sweet and spicy treats become more than just food. They transform into symbols of togetherness, shared joy, and the spirit of Diwali. No culinary journey through Nepal during Diwali would be complete without experiencing the joy of sel roti. This iconic Nepali bread, with its crispy exterior and soft, slightly chewy interior, holds a special place in the hearts and celebrations of the Nepali people. Picture this: a large iron wok perched over glowing coals, the air thick with the aroma of rice flour batter sizzling in hot oil. Skilled hands deftly shape the batter into perfect circles, creating intricate, lacy patterns as the sel roti fries to a beautiful golden brown. Often enjoyed with a cup of hot milk or tea, sel roti's subtle sweetness and satisfying texture make it a beloved breakfast or snack throughout the year, especially during Diwali. This simple yet iconic bread, a symbol of Nepali culinary tradition, becomes an integral part of the Diwali celebrations, reminding everyone of the joy of sharing food and creating lasting memories. India, during Diwali, transforms into a vibrant tapestry of lights, colors, and aromas. Navigating the bustling streets in search of the perfect Diwali street food experience can be an adventure in itself. In the heart of Old Delhi, Chandni Chowk comes alive during Diwali. The narrow lanes, adorned with twinkling lights and overflowing with vendors, offer an explosion of flavors. Here you'll find legendary chaat stalls serving up tangy pani puri, crispy aloo tikki, and the ever-popular dahi bala. Don't miss the chance to try the melt-in-your-mouth jalebis, their bright orange swirls beckoning from every corner. Mumbai, the city that never sleeps, takes its street food seriously, and Diwali is no exception. Head to Muhammad Ali Road, a culinary haven during Ramadan, which also buzzes with activity during Diwali. Crossing the border into Nepal, the Diwali festivities continue, and the street food scene takes on a unique charm. In the heart of Kathmandu, Tamil, a bustling tourist hub, transforms into a culinary paradise during Diwali. Here you'll find street vendors serving up steaming baskets of momos, their aromas filling the air with irresistible scents. From the classic steamed momos to the crispy fried variety, there's a momo for every palate. For a taste of authentic Newari cuisine, head to Patan Durbar Square, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here, you'll find local eateries serving up traditional Newari dishes like bara, a savory lentil pancake, and chatamari, a rice flour crepe topped with various savory ingredients. Experiencing Diwali street food is about more than just the taste. It's about immersing yourself in the vibrant atmosphere, the sights, sounds, and smells that make this festival so special. Imagine strolling through brightly lit streets, the air thick with the aroma of spices, incense, and frying batter. The rhythmic clatter of cooking utensils, the chatter of excited vendors, and the joyous greetings of passers-by create a symphony of Diwali spirit. As you savor each bite of your chosen street food, take a moment to appreciate the artistry of the vendors. Watch as they deftly assemble intricate chaat creations, their hands moving with practiced precision. Beyond the food stalls, Diwali celebrations unfold in a riot of colors. Happy Diwali! The allure of Diwali street food extends far beyond the delicious flavors and enticing aromas. It's about the emotions it evokes, the memories it ignites, and the sense of community it fosters. Street food becomes a powerful symbol of togetherness, celebration, and cultural identity. Each bite is a shared experience, a moment of connection that strengthens bonds and creates lasting memories. The familiar flavors and aromas evoke a sense of belonging, of being part of something larger than oneself. One of the most heartwarming aspects of Diwali street food is its ability to connect generations through shared culinary traditions. Recipes passed down from grandparents to parents to children become a tangible link to the past, preserving family history and cultural heritage through each delicious bite. Grandmothers sharing their secret recipes for melt-in-your-mouth gulab jamun, or patiently teaching their grandchildren how to fold momos become keepers of tradition, ensuring that these culinary treasures are passed down to future generations. The act of cooking together becomes a bonding experience, strengthening family ties and creating lasting memories. As children grow older, the flavors and aromas of Diwali street food evoke cherished memories of family gatherings, of laughter shared over plates piled high with delicacies, and of the comforting presence of loved ones. These sensory experiences become intertwined with their sense of identity, connecting them to their cultural heritage and shaping their understanding of family and tradition. The next time you indulge in a Diwali street food delicacy, remember that you're not just tasting food. You're tasting history, tradition, and the love that goes into preserving these culinary treasures for future generations. It's a reminder that food has the power to connect us to the past, to the present, and to the people who make our lives meaningful. Diwali street food is more than just tasty treats. It's a reflection of the diverse cultural tapestry of India and Nepal. Each region boasts unique culinary traditions, resulting in a dazzling array of flavors. From tangy chaats of Mumbai to spicy momos of Nepal, each dish tells a story. As you travel through India and Nepal during Diwali, let your taste buds guide you. Celebrate the rich cultural heritage reflected in every bite of Diwali street food. As the last of the Diwali fireworks fade into the night sky, one can't help but feel a sense of contentment. The streets, once bustling with food vendors, slowly quiet down, the remnants of joyous celebrations lingering in the air. Diwali leaves an indelible mark on our senses and souls. The true magic of Diwali street food lies in its ability to nourish our spirits. It's a reminder that life's greatest joys are found in simple pleasures. The crunch of a perfectly fried samosa, the burst of flavor in a tangy pani puri, the comforting warmth of a soft, sweet gulab jamun. These are moments of pure joy, shared with loved ones and strangers alike. They create a sense of unity and belonging. As we bid farewell to another Diwali, let us carry the spirit of the festival with us. Let us remember the lessons learned through shared meals, the connections forged over plates piled high with deliciousness, and the importance of preserving traditions that nourish both body and soul. The next time you encounter a street food vendor, take a moment to appreciate their craft, their dedication to preserving culinary traditions, and their role in creating a sense of community. Engage in conversation, ask about their stories, and savor each bite with a newfound appreciation for the cultural heritage it represents. Remember that the spirit of Diwali, like the flavors of its street food, is best shared with others. Invite friends, family, and neighbors to experience the joy of a Diwali-inspired feast. Share your favorite recipes, recreate cherished memories, and spread the warmth and generosity of the festival through the universal language of food.